Hey y'all, Jason here from Freedom Mutant Farm in Arbor. And when I went to edit this video, I realized that I had a couple other deliveries that came in that I recorded that I never posted. For the channels that this affects, I'm sorry. I'm posting it now though. Hey y'all, Jason here from Freedom Mutant Farm in Arbor. Just got home. I have a package. Let's see what I got. Patriot Seeds Organic Seed Vault. 100% heirloom. Garden in a can. USDA organic. See what it comes with. Blue Lake bush beans, California Wonder sweet pepper, Marketmore cucumber, natty carrots, Paris Island cause romaine lettuce, Golden Acre cabbage, Detroit dark red beet, California light red kidney beans, beefsteak tomato, cherry bell radish, green sprouting caprese broccoli, Witham butternut winter squash, boomstale spinach, yellow sweet Spanish onion, Roma tomato, Haley Best jumbo melon, Hale's Best jumbo melon, snowball cauliflower, Black Beauty summer squash, sugar baby watermelon, and standard chives. This is awesome. The reason that I ordered from this company is I recently did a giveaway. The winner of that giveaway was Four Blessings Farm, Ed and Jen over there. If you haven't checked them out, go ahead and check them out. I'll leave a card for their channel up here. Thank you everybody for getting me to 100 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Hey y'all, Jason here from Freedom Mutant Farm in Arbor. I got a package. Let's see what's inside. It's from abundantpermaculture.com or Justin Rhodes' channel. Let's see what's inside. Abundant Permaculture presents Permaculture Chickens. Oh, signed on the back. The Permaculture Chickens video. That's cool. Can't wait to watch this. I got this as... They sent this along with my purchase for the Poultry Masterclass. That's in June. I can't wait for that. I'll finally figure out what to do with my chickens. Stay tuned for that. That'll be a good one. I think I'm going to actually go watch this. Hey y'all, Jason here from Freedom Mutant Farm in Arbor. It's delivery time. Let's see what I got. It's from the Hesitant Homesteader. Oh yeah, I just was on their 1,000 subscriber giveaway and I won something. Let's see what I got. Thanks guys. Let's see. A nice card. Won't bore you guys with that. And a business card. What's this? An alpaca. I think that's an alpaca. I'm always fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalms 139:14. That's cute. Deep blue rub. Oh, I guess it's like a Bengay or a biofreeze or something. Interesting. And then this. Oh, that smells wonderful. If I remember correctly, he said it was beeswax, coconut oil, eucalyptus, and citrus. I got an idea. Hold on. Look, y'all. It worked. It tamed my beard, made it more shiny. I know what I'm going to be using this for. If any of you guys got a unruly beard, go over and check out the Hesitant Homesteader. Get you some of this. It smells wonderful. Well, thanks for coming along with me. Go ahead and check out the Hesitant Homesteader. I will leave a link for their channel right up here. Jason here from Freedom Houston Farm and Arbor, and I got a package. See who it's from. Off Kilter Homestead, home address. I won't give out your home address, buddy. See what I got. I went ahead and pre-opened it so that I wouldn't be fumbling around on camera. Let's see. Smells very good. Eucalyptus and spearmint. Handcrafted with goat milk. It's goat milk soap. I had forgot I won this. It was on his 300 subscriber giveaway. Awesome. Caprese broccoli. I wasn't expecting this. Hold on. Oh, Hoss, man, you didn't. I know you're a teacher, man, and summertime is your late season, so you didn't have to do this, brother. I mean, I appreciate it. I'll grow them. I'll make a video about it, and I'll tag you in it. Speaking about tagging you in it, if any of you guys haven't seen Haas from Off Kilter Homestead, go ahead and check out his channel. I'll leave a link up there for you. Awesome. Haas, you rock, bro. Check out this playlist right here for more videos like this. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe. Leave me a comment. Leave me a thumbs up. Hit that bell, that way you'll be notified when I put out new videos. I'll see you on the next one.